Hi everyone, I'm here again with another airdrop. This one is called BabyUnicorn and I will show you how to collect the token of unicorn in our Trust wallet. The first thing, you must open your Trust wallet. Now go to the dapp browser. From the link below, copy and paste airdrop address in here. Now the first thing you must do, change this to Binance Smart Chain network. I always, when I'm first time in a official web page of the airdrop, I always look around to see what they're offering, what they're promising, what's the roadmap. So look around and decide if you want to collect airdrop or not. Now let's claim our airdrop of BabyUnicorn. Click this. We see here the pre-sale will end in 136 days. Wow, that's a long time. Now scroll down. We see here good information. BUNI will list on 31 December on a Pancakeswap and BabyUnicorn exchange. Nice. Now let's claim one BUNI. Connect your wallet. Oh, this one BUNI cost a lot, so you decide if you want to claim it or not. I will try my luck. Here we see how many fee we're paying. So let's do this. Click approve if you want so. I always wait a few seconds to see if the transaction is okay. Now let's see what they're offering here. Here we see Binance Smart Chain scan. Let's look around. The token and the name, it's okay. And now we see here why we'll get only one BUNI, because the supply is small. Here we see holders and transfers. Now let's scroll down. Now this is a contract address. This will need to activate our tokens and add it on in our wallets. I will put this link to Binance Smart Chain scan in the description, and I will put a contract address too. So let's click this, copy. Now go out of this. Let's go to the wallet. Click this to add token. Now you can copy from the Binance Smart Chain scan, or you can copy from the description below. You got link there. So, and paste it in here to see if the token is already added. The token is not added, so we must click this add custom token. Now don't forget to change this network to Binance Smart Chain network. and now just click this paste, and we see that the token was automatically added in our Trust wallet. Now just click done, and we see 1 BUNI in our Trust wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe and click that notification button and click that like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next airdrop. Bye.